question I'm often asked is whether or not we can discharge taxes in a bankruptcy. There's a couple of rules that we have to go by that's in the bankruptcy code and is in the tax code. And basically what those rules consist of is this. In order for you to discharge taxes, they have to be at least 3 years old or older. Now what that means is that those tax returns have to have been filed at least 3 years prior to the filing of your bankruptcy petition. And they have to be filed at least 3 years prior to May 15th of that particular year. Because the tax year goes from May 15th to May 15th. There's a second rule that says that if you filed them late, meaning after the year that they should have been filed, then there's a 2-year rule. The 2-year rule basically states the tax returns, even though they were filed late, still had to have been filed at least 2 years prior to the petition date, and again prior to April 15th. The third rule is that they have to have been assessed within prior to 240 days prior to the petition date. The 240-day rule basically says that if you are audited after the initial tax was assessed, that's a new assessment date. If you amend your tax returns, that's a new filing date. And so taxes can be discharged, but there are some very specific rules that apply to those. If you filed your tax returns in the last couple of years and you had a tax obligation, those taxes are non-dischargeable. You will have to pay them.
If this has been helpful to you, we do have more videos that you can view. We'd also like you to maybe call us for an appointment. If you call us now, we can go ahead and set up a time for you to come in. We can meet with you and see if we can alleviate some of the pain and distress that you're going through. Or you can visit our website where you can get a little bit more information there as well.